Mush for the day. The first mush. Yeah, the first mush. Look, there's Patty Smith. Oh, here she comes for mush. There's Eric Clapton in the background. Carlos. Santana. I hear Hannah out there. She's wanting in. She said, I want to get into my puppies. Let me back in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. BB King, you're right in the middle of the bowl, aren't you? She's getting right in the middle of the bowl. Yeah, oh, let's see, who else? Is that Tina Turner? Or is that, no, that's Chuck Berry. Chuck Berry, he's going to be a hoss. He's going to be a big boy. He's getting into this food. As is Eric Clapton now. Let's see. That looks like, if that's Tina Turner over there, or if it's Ella Fitzgerald. Oh, that's Tina Turner right there, having her mush. This is Ella Fitzgerald. She's here thinking about it. She's been in it. She's got mush on her head. So there's Stevie Ray Vaughan. He's getting him some mush too. I'm not sure what he's doing. He's trying to eat what's being dropped, I think. He likes that better. And he's getting into it. He's getting into it. There's the puppies. There's Tina Turner. Ma. Is that good stuff, babies? Is that good stuff?